Alright YouTube, badass video time. This one is a hookup from a very special friend. I'm not involved in the gaming industry anymore, but I still got the hookup. This is a Lollipop Chainsaw employee press kit. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a large t-shirt.
Oh, look at the
lollipop! Oh, poster! We got some pom-poms. Keychain of the boyfriend's head. What is that?
Is that a thumb drive?
That's
a thumb drive.
We
it
got
has
some,
a little boyfriend's head on it.
We got some decals and some stuff. Oh, one of those little cheerleader sticks. And a megaphone.
I'm putting this shirt on right now.
Fuck yeah!
I'm putting this on right now.
Oh, we got two keychains. Two keychains. He left one in there. Thank you, sir, for the fantastical hookup. Thank you. I'm super stoked for this game.
Yes.